Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou RS3 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel like this, and on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the sun icon. This is the brightness icon, and you can tap on this icon. It will bring you to this menu, and here we can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. Adjust it to your liking, and once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen and then up on the screen to go back to watch face. You can also adjust the brightness through settings, so we can wake up the screen on our watch, swipe up on the screen to open the menu, then scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it, and here we can select the brightness option. It will open the brightness menu. We can adjust the brightness, and once we're done, you can swipe right or press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.